Ang tanong, the Black Ops is about to release the crime scene. The following are the points to remember by all of its members, except A, B, C, or D. Ano yung hindi naman kailangan dyan tandaan ng bawat member ng Black Ops? Hindi naman kailangan na release the scene with the notion that there are chances to perform the job correctly and completely. Ibig sabihin, i-release mo na yung crime scene, tapos meron pa namang second chance o third chance na gawin pa naman ng paraan kung sakasakali daw na magkulang yung mga evidence na nakuha mo. Eh wala na. Again, halimbawa nga, nangyari yan sa kalsada. Eh syempre, araw-araw dinadaanan yan ng mga sasakyan, ng mga tao. Pag nirelease mo na yan, yung evidence na posibleng naiwan doon, mako-contaminate, ma-alter, or ma-mutilate na. Kasi madadaanan niya ng iba't ibang sasakyan or tao. So wala nang second chance, kumbaga. Kaya siguraduhin mo na pag nirelease mo yung crime scene, okay na yung A, B, at C. Ano ba yung A, B, at C? A, ensure that appropriate inventory has been provided. So na-inventory mo na ng maayos. Pangalawa, B, release is accomplished only after completion of the final survey. At letter C, release is accompanied only after completion of the proper documentation. Katulad ng photograph, katulad ng sketch, at katulad ng note-taking. Aim Smart, your review authority.